Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's a lovely day, but chilly outside, so I thought we'll do something special today. For lunch, we're going to make Prego steak rolls. And I must be honest with you, it's probably the best steak roll you're ever going to taste. And please don't forget to subscribe, like my channel, and comment. You know that you can comment, say anything you like. I'd love to hear what you think of the food. I'm starting making the Prego sauce. We're going to use Bowman's butter, the garlic and chili version. Very nice, absolutely stunning, just to give it that extra flavor. So we'll fry our onions in the garlic and chili butter. This is what it is. It's Steers Prego sauce. It's absolutely delicious. So we're just going to fry onion, and I'm going to add a little bit more chili, I believe, and then a little bit of salt. I think we can have. Here we go. Some salt and some pepper. Actually, let me just use garlic and pepper. You know I love this. I'm always using garlic pepper. It's easier. And aromat. I'm a bit of a spice nut, I must be honest with you. So yes, I can't help myself sometimes. I'm nearly done. Just going to add a little bit of this sauce my daughter brought me. Very, very strong. So this is just, I'm just trying something new. You don't have to have this. Okay, that's about ready to add our sauce now. So you're absolutely, I'm going to use the Steers Prego like I mentioned. Half the bottle, I think. Yeah, that should be alright. It's got tomato in it, everything's in it, so that's why it's easier just to use this sauce. If you had to start from the scratch, we would end up using tomato paste and all kinds of different things. And that's just about done. Here we go, ready for our steak, which is going to be on the table next, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, I'm going to prep the steak. It's room temperature. You need your steak to be room temperature, so you take it out the fridge about 20 minutes before. And we're just putting some garlic pepper on there, as usual, my favorite. And a little bit of salt. Okay, so we're using one big piece of rump here because we're going to cut slices for our rolls. And of course, we have our favorite, Mr. Mac. John McClelland, my good old friend, has been so kind to sponsor me the new Mac Spice. He's just brought out a new one, which is the lemon zest, I believe. I'm getting some next week. I'm going to show you some awesome recipes using Mac Spice. And yes, it's delicious. This one's the hot one. We're going to give it a bit of a little bite on that steak. And it is quite hot, so yeah, don't go too crazy. I am going a bit crazy, but that's all good. Thank you so much, Mac. John Mac Spice. Okay, so we're going to once again use our beautiful garlic and chili Bowman's butter. This is why we're cooking this one, because it's very nice actually having chili in as well, because we are having Prego steak rolls after all.
Meanwhile,
Caprese salad, and all you need is some tomato, which I've just basted with a little bit of balsamic vinegar, and we're going to put our little basil leaves on here. This is just going to go with our steak, just to lighten the palate a bit. Very easy. I did put a little bit of sugar on there as well. That just goes on top. Very nice. Just put a little bit more there. There we have it. Lovely. It's for us to eat with our steak.
a few moments later.
This is it, ladies and gentlemen. We are now ready to put our steak on. Yo, it's a big piece of steak. Half a cow, ladies and gentlemen. Here we go. Now we can just leave that on for about 2 minutes just to get the meat sealed on the one side. Oh, we do love Bowman's butters. Oh my word, it's huge. Goodness gracious. Let me try. And my mouth is salivating, watering. Right. Dig in.
Whoa!
What happened? What happened? What happened? Oh my word.